Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the five elements, specifically their cycles of generation and restriction. This is a core concept in many traditional philosophies, and understanding it is like learning the addition and subtraction of this system. It's absolutely fundamental. You'll want to not just memorize these relationships, but truly grasp the logic behind them. So let's get started. First, let's look at the generation cycle, which begins with wood. It's simple. Wood generates fire. Think about it: when you burn wood, you get fire. So any combustible material like your clothes, paper, wooden furniture, and even many plastics can be classified as wood. The key here is its ability to burn and create fire. That's wood generating fire. Now, what does fire generate? Fire generates earth. After a fire burns out, what's left? Ash. And when that ash settles and mixes with the ground, it becomes part of the earth. The element of fire itself represents things that are hot, bright, explosive, and expansive, like sunlight, lamps, and even firecrackers. Its main qualities are light, heat, and dryness. So after all that intense energy, it settles down into earth. From earth, we get metal. This one's a bit more profound. Deep within the earth, immense heat and pressure work their magic on minerals. This natural smelting process transforms substances, crystallizing them into new, harder forms. It's like how carbon under pressure becomes a diamond. These hard, solid materials that emerge from the earth are classified as metal. This isn't just about gold and silver. It includes stones, glass, and high-purity minerals. Next up, metal generates water. Now this is a bit different. It's not that metal literally creates water. It's more about a transformation of form. Think of a cold metal surface on a humid day. Condensation forms on it. Or in a more classical sense, think of how ice, which is considered a form of solid metal in this context, melts into water when it gets warm. It's a change of state. So remember, metal generating water is about transformation, not creation. Finally, we complete the circle with water generating wood. This is the most intuitive one. A seed needs water to sprout, and a tree needs water to grow. Water is absolutely essential for life and for the element of wood. In fact, a key way to distinguish living wood from dead wood is to check for two things: roots and water. Without both, wood cannot thrive. So there you have it, the generation cycle. Wood creates fire, fire creates earth, earth creates metal, metal creates water, and water creates wood. It's a beautiful, continuous loop that mirrors processes we see in nature every day. And it's not just about physical objects. These elements also represent industries. For example, furniture and education are wood, media and restaurants are fire, real estate and construction are earth, finance and law are metal, and sales and logistics are water. But it goes even deeper. The five elements also represent intangible forces. Wood is the force of growth and expansion. Fire is the energy of light and heat. Earth represents stability and nourishment. Metal embodies strength, structure, and firmness. And water signifies flow, flexibility, and gentleness. When you think of an element, try to see both its physical form and its underlying energy. Now, let's switch gears to the restriction cycle. This cycle is all about balance and control. We'll start with wood again. Wood restricts earth. Imagine a tree's roots digging into the soil. They hold it together, preventing erosion from wind and rain. In this way, wood controls and even protects the earth. Next, earth restricts water. This is the classic image of building a dam or a levee to stop a flood. Earth, in the form of soil, rocks, or even cement, contains and directs the flow of water. As the old saying goes, when water comes, earth blocks it. Then, water restricts fire. This one's obvious. Firefighters use water to put out fires. Water absorbs heat and extinguishes the flames. It's the ultimate counter to fire's intense energy. Following that, fire restricts metal. Even the strongest metal will melt under intense heat. A blacksmith uses fire to soften metal, allowing it to be reshaped. Fire's heat overcomes the rigidity and structure of metal, thus restricting it. And to complete the second cycle, metal restricts wood. No matter how big and strong a tree is, a metal axe can cut it down. A metal saw can shape it. Metal tools have power over wood, controlling its growth and form. So the restriction cycle is Wood restricts earth, earth restricts water, water restricts fire, fire restricts metal, and metal restricts wood. These two cycles, generation and restriction, work together to create a dynamic system of balance. Everything is connected, supporting and controlling each other. It's crucial to really embed these two cycles in your mind. Knowing them by heart will allow you to apply this wisdom to understand relationships, situations, and the world around you in a much deeper way. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the 5 elements. I hope this gives you a new lens through which to see the world. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.